We talk to a lot of people who say, I already repaired the damage. It wasn't worth the headache to deal with insurance. We get it. The process can be frustrating. But here's the problem. When you pay out of pocket to repair damage caused by a construction defect, you're often covering someone else's mistake and leaving money on the table. At AMPR, we help property owners explore defect claims before they commit to major out-of-pocket repairs. We manage everything: inspections, testing, claim, compilation, communication with insurers, and we do it without charging you upfront. So before you hire that contractor to patch a leak or replace your drywall, ask, what caused the damage and could it be covered? Let us help you find out. Call 310-504-1843 or visit amprconsulting.com.